JBL Xtreme 4 is now available on Amazon, and these are the key features of this amazing sound speaker, Bluetooth speaker. If you want it, I'll leave a link in the description for you to access it. And it comes with two options, the blue one and the black one. I think I like the black one, and one of the standing features is the AI sound boost. It analyzes the incoming sound and it makes it sound so unique and amazing that you can feel it, even the deep bass and the powerful sound it makes. And its battery life goes for 24 hours with also the shoulder strip. You can hold it and it is waterproof and also dust proof. This is the most sophisticated Bluetooth speaker right now on Amazon, and it's going for around $300 with this kind of speaker and its features which has incorporated AI. I think this is one of the amazing speakers you can find on Amazon. It has two woofers, two powerful drivers and dual pumping JBL bass radiators, effortlessly deliver dynamic and immersive sound with a deep bass and plenty details. So if you are a deep bass fanatic, then make sure you check out this because you will never regret. You can also come down here to watch the full video on my review about this product before you make any purchase. Check out the link in the description and find the best color that you like between the blue one and the black one for you to buy this product.